Hey folks, thank you for stopping by. This message is brought to you by yours truly, Daniel Morrow, creator of EliteClarity.com for all of your business financing needs, and thatphonesitesguy.com, your resident phone sites affiliate representative. I hope you enjoy this message, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. When should I be using secured or unsecured financing? That's a good question. Again, that's one of the ones that we don't really get asked, but it's something to consider when thinking about financing, right? When acquiring capital for your business. So the difference, basically secured means you got some sort of an asset behind it backing it. So if you default, the loan company can possess it and fire sale it off and get their money back. Unsecured, I mean, there's not really a lot of recourse except putting liens on your business or on your house if you have one or whatever. So unsecured financing, I mean, you're also going to pay more for it because it is more risk to the lender. But it is, but it isn't so cut and dry on how to choose which way to go, right? Sometimes you need to go unsecured. That's it, bottom line. Why you would need to go unsecured is if you don't have the assets, if you don't have collateral, right? You're going to need to pay more for the money. That's it. And then when taking on those types of loans, often you can, depending on the lender and stuff, you can request early payment reduction and stuff like that. So I've seen some lenders give you a 10% payment reduction if you pay the outstanding balance in full as a lump sum, which is pretty cool. You're saving money, right? It kind of makes up for the higher interest. But here's the thing: it's a tool to help you get the capital that you need to keep growing, to keep working, to keep operating, right? Whatever that looks like on your end. And the thing about it is too, is I just lost my train of thought. The thing about it is though too, is like, it gives you, not only does it give you access to the capital that you need when you need it, hopefully, right? Hopefully you don't get declined because there's always that possibility. But from talking to an advisor or a broker that knows what's going on, we can advise you and say, okay, look, like, yes, we got to think of the long term. We got to think of the big picture, right? The big vision. So it's not ideal right now, but what can we do to make it more ideal? How many more contracts how can we structure the company? How can we structure your sales? How many more sales a month? What do we need? What targets do we need to set? What bars do we need to put in place for you to hit so that you can start qualifying for these other programs and get better rates, better terms, better conditions, and just like more ideal borrowing down the road, right? So it's not the be all end all, whether you qualify for or not. You need the capital. It's better than having your back against the wall, but also having that clarity moving forward to know what you need to do to secure or lock in or get approved for all of these better programs, all of these more beneficial programs. I shouldn't even say better. It's a misuse of words because not one program is necessarily better than the others, but more favorable terms, right? So I hope that helps, guys. I hope that provides you the clarity that you need to keep moving. Reach out to me if you need anything, and we're going to see you on the other side. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time and tune into this message. If you enjoyed this, please show some love with a like, share, or by leaving a comment review wherever you happen to be tuning in. Don't forget to join us on the Facebook group, Business Owners and Entrepreneurs Network, and head on over to EliteClarity.com to check out our financing options. Cheers.